Hey traders, welcome to my channel. This is Karthik here. Let us see the pre-market analysis for the upcoming trading session, that is on Monday, 6th September. So there was no trading for the past 3 days due to the new SEBI margin rules. All our retail traders were decided not to trade. That is hashtag trading day that wasn't trending. So we guys didn't make any trade for the past 3 days. So I also didn't put any pre-market analysis and didn't post any charts on my Telegram channel. So that is what SEBI will not change from the rules, that we know that, and we will not also leave the trading profession. Okay, so instead of speaking about the problem, we will be looking into the solutions. We'll be start the trading from Monday with more cautious, right? We'll start with the Nifty first. So we already know that Nifty is non-stoppable. They are moving very higher. They're saying no one can stop me, man. And the Nifty is already near the all-time high, which is around the price of 17,339. And we already expected a good fall over here, because here the market formed a dark cloud pattern, and also in Bank Nifty it formed a shooting star. We expected a good fall over here, but there were not a very good fall, just a not even a fall. The market started moving upside, because if the market breaks below this region, which is 17,050, there might be a very good selling pressure, but the market started moving higher. The bull rally continues, and after moving higher, the market traded sideways in the last trading sessions and closed with a price of 17,320. How could we take the trading for Monday is, so once the resistance gets breakout, it will be acting as a support for the upcoming trading session, which is around the price of 17,300, will be acting as a support. If the market opens flat and closes with a bullish candle, okay, the market start moving upward till the price of 17,330, we'll be looking for the buying by keeping the 17,300 stop loss, because there will be minimum stop loss here, and we will be joining the bull rally again. We'll go with the 1:2 risk reward ratio, which is around, if we trade around 17,330, we'll be looking for 17,360 or 370 on the buying side, and we'll be only looking for a selling once when the market crosses below 17,200 level, because the market here, it is in sideways. If the market opens gap down around the price of 17,300 and moves downward, it will be getting into the sideways zone again. If the market opens flat and move higher, we could be looking for more new highs. So selling pressure will be coming once when the market crosses below the 17,200 price level in Nifty. And on the last trading session, Reliance nearly moved 4% higher. That supported the Nifty to move more higher on the bull rally. Our next is Nifty Bank. So it is in 1-day time frame. We could see that almost the market is nearby the resistance area. So all-time high of Bank Nifty is 37,708. So once when the market opens flat or little gap up, let me change into 15 minutes time frame, so you'll be understanding much better. So here the market gave a breakout on the channel and moved in a sideways on the last trading session. Okay, so once when the market crosses above the price of 37,000, we will be looking for the Bank Nifty to reach the all-time high, which is around 37,500 or 37,600 on the upside. If the market opens gap down, we will be waiting for some price action, because here a lot of supports over here. The market will not drastically fall from here, so there are a lot of supports here. So we'll be looking for a buying side. Once when the market crosses above the price of 37,000, we will be go for a buying, because the next target will be the all-time high, which is around 37,500. So even moving bullish side on the Bank Nifty will support the Nifty also. So eventually Nifty also move on the upper side if the Bank Nifty moves, that we know. And today we'll be looking into the Nifty IT stock. Yeah, it is in 15 minutes time frame. Let me change it to 1 day. So you could see that after a long uptrend, the market is gradually moving upside inside a channel. It is forming a channel pattern. Let me change it to 1 hour time frame. So in 1 hour time frame, we could see that the market is moving inside a channel, and now it is near to the top of the channel. So we could expect a good bullish breakout on the upper side. Yeah, so there will be a good momentum on the upper side. If the Nifty breaks on the Nifty IT, sorry, Nifty IT breaks on the opposite, eventually all the Nifty IT stocks will also get some bullish momentum. So the major IT stocks to watch is TCS, Tech Mahindra, Infosys and ACL Tech, right? So we'll be starting with the TCS. So the TCS is forming a symmetrical triangle pattern in 15 minutes time frame. Once when the market crosses above the price of 3,850, we could be looking for a buying opportunity. So we're looking for a buying opportunity, go for a buy trade, keeping the candles low as stop loss, and our targets might be the new high because the market is already in the all-time high. So we'll be looking for new high, go with the 1:2 risk reward ratio, not more than that, because we don't know where are the limits. Okay, and also we could use the tools like pivot points to know the next resistance. So it's according to you. And our next stock is Tech Mahindra. Tech Mahindra also we could go for a buy once when the market crosses above the price of 1450. Once 1450 and sustain support, we could go for a buy, and our next targets will be 1456 and 1464. And we could only go for a sell once in the market crosses below the price of 1420. Next stock is Infosys. So Infosys is already started its bullish momentum. We could see here it is in 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so the market traveled down the downtrend. The trend has been get breakout. Now it is traveling in the upper side. So once in the market crosses above the price of 1706 or 1707, we could go for a buy, and our first target will be the first resistance, which is around the 1718. And once when the market sustains above it, we could look further bullish momentum up to the price of 1732, and we could only go for a selling once the market crosses below the price of 1687. So our next target will be the support area, which is around 1667. Next stock is ACL Tech. It is in 5 minutes time frame. Let me change it to 15 minutes. Yeah, so for the past few days the ACL Tech was in a sideways momentum. Now the market has gradually started moving up. You could see here, right? The market started gradually on the upper side. So once the market crosses above the price of 1180, we could look for a buying momentum. Already the market has retested 2 times the resistance. So once when the market crosses above the price of 1180, we could expect some good bullish momentum if the Nifty IT stocks give a good bullish breakout. So on the upcoming week, we could see some good momentums on the Nifty IT stocks. So this is all about the pre-market analysis for the upcoming market. Have a happy trading. Thank you.